Hello traders, in this video we are reviewing the Forex Pro Shadow Indicator for MT4. We'll cover how its unique face symbols and candles appear on the chart, what those visuals imply about swing highs and lows, and the main settings that influence signal speed and appearance. At this point I'll load the indicator on the chart so you can see how it looks in real time. As you can see by the faces, the blue and red faces, the Forex Pro Shadow Indicator plots distinctive face style icons directly on the main price chart instead of traditional arrows to mark potential buy and sell zones. Blue faces appear in areas where the tool recognizes a potential bottom or swing low, implying that the market has completed a downward leg and may be shifting upward. As you can see by this evidence, blue face followed by a shift upward. Another blue face followed by a shift upward. Meanwhile, red faces appear near potential tops or swing highs, implying that the market has completed an upward leg and may be shifting downward. In addition to these icons, we have the settings or the input, which includes the joker timing that affects the sensitivity of the indicator. We also have alerts, so it can be alerted when it plots a new face on the chart. Now we have the colors of the faces over here and the thickness. And let's move over to who is for and its limitations. The Forex Pro Shadow Indicator is suited to swing traders and other discretionary traders who want a visual way to highlight potential tops and bottoms for possible reversals. It can be attractive to those who prefer intuitive face symbols and colored faces over more conventional arrow style signals. The indicator is a visual analytical tool only and does not execute or manage trades. Traders must still apply their own judgment and risk parameters, and as with any swing point indicator, faces may appear in areas that do not lead to significant move, especially in sideways or highly volatile markets, and more aggressive risk level settings can increase the number of less reliable signals. So additional confirmation and risk management are important. You can find the download link for the Forex Pro Shadow Indicator for MT4 in the description below. You can also read the full article and see more chart examples so you can get a better understanding of how to implement the indicator in your trading strategy on the Forex Geek website. If you enjoy visually distinctive swing tools like this, remember to subscribe and turn on notifications.